VRadar Incident Management. According to NIST 861, a security incident has a 6-stage lifecycle. VRadar implements this lifecycle in full. It begins in the open state when the incident is created manually, by the correlation engine, by an escalation rule, or by AI operator. An analyst takes the incident and moves it to investigating. Once the threat is isolated, it becomes contained. Once the malware is removed, eradicated. Once systems are restored from backup, recovered. Once the postmortem is complete, the incident is closed. Every status change, every note, every piece of attached evidence is logged into an immutable timeline. Incidents link to multiple alerts through a many-to-many relationship. ISO 27001 and SOC 2 compliance both require this exact workflow. VRadar Incident Management to international standards.